Dear student, let's discuss about the impeachment procedure of judges in India because this is quite a new. So we are going to do in-depth analysis of all the procedure for impeachment of the judges. So dear student, here we are going to discuss about the background, the constitutional framework and procedure for impeachment and removal and all other notable points for your examination. So first one is about the background. So incident involved Justice Yashwant Verma. So in March, emergency service discover half-burnt currency notes in the outhouse of the Justice Yashwant Verma of Delhi High Court. Okay? Then a 3-judge committee appointed by then Chief Justice of India investigate the matter, and following the committee finding, Justice Verma refusal to resign. So former Chief Justice referred matter to the President and Prime Minister recommending his removal. This removal is called impeachment procedure. So we need a formal impeachment procedure for removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges. So there is same procedure applicable. So next question is, what are the constitutional framework? So constitutional framework, Article 124.4, Article 124.5 of the Constitution of India and Judges Inquiry Act of 1968, they are driving the motion of removal of the judges of High Court as well as Supreme Court. So what are the ground for their removal? So remove only on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity, not any other ground. So procedure for impeachment. So impeachment is also called as removal of the judges of High Court and Supreme Court. So initiation of motion. So motions for removal can originate in either house of the parliament. It can be either originate from the Rajya Sabha or it can originate from the Lok Sabha. So in case of Lok Sabha, it must be signed at least 100%. In case of Lok Sabha, in case of Rajya Sabha, it should be signed at least 50%. Okay. So admission of the motion, once this has been submitted, it is the discretion of the speaker and the chairman. He may or may not accept this motion. Okay? So this is being given to protect any malified intention of this motion. So next one is inquiry committee. So if motion is admitted, the speaker or chairman will constitute a 3-member inquiry committee to investigate the complaint. And this committee will be consisting of Chief Justice of India or other Supreme Court judge, or a Chief Justice of a Chief Justice of a High Court and a distinguished jurist. The committee investigate the charges, frame allegations and examine evidence, give judges reasonable opportunity to present their defense and cross-examining the witness. Okay? So next one is about the committee report. If the committee found that judges guilty of misbehavior or incapacity, the report is laid before the house that initiated the motion. Let's say the Rajya Sabha initiated the motion, accepted the motion, then this report will again submitted to the Rajya Sabha. Then the Rajya Sabha have to take decision by passing and making the vote. So parliamentary consideration and voting. The motion for removal must be adopted by each house of the parliament with a special majority. So that majority is more than 2/3 of the total present and voting, and that must be more than 50% of total strength. And if first house is passed with that majority, then it is again passed to the second house, and second house also have to pass that bill again with 2/3 of the special majority, that is 2/3 of the total present and voting. That must be more than 50% strength of the house. If both house passed separately this motion in a single session, so once motion is adopted by both house of the parliament with the special majority in the same session, that means it should be, if it is monsoon session, then it should have to complete in monsoon session. If it is winter session, then we have to pass both the house in the winter session also, not the different session. It is presented to the president, then president then issue an order for removal of the judges. Okay? So some notable point you need to remember. Notable point, it is important to note that despite several impeachment motion being initiated, no judge of Supreme Court or a High Court have been fully impeached, removed from the office through this process. So some judge have resigned before the process was completed. So here it is a clear indication that the impeachment process is quite lengthy and it is cumbersome. So that is very difficult for impeach a judge of a Supreme Court or a High Court. So please, dear student, write your thought in the comment box. Let me see what you think. And please like, subscribe to our channel for more such content.